Hey everyone, let's see how you can make money with my PAM account. Click the link in my bio and choose Hedonism Club Heart PAM account. And here, click the green Invest Funds button, which is in the right corner. Okay, and on the next screen, we can choose the deposit amount. In my case, it is 100 American dollars, and also we choose the account from where we would like to transfer funds and click the green Invest Funds button. And here we go, your deposit request has been successfully accepted, and you'll get an email when your request will be executed and your money will be invested in Hedonism Club Heart PAM account.